Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to duplicate a pipeline in Kajabi. All right. So before it was called pipeline. Now it is called funnel. Okay. When you go ahead over to the left panel right here under marketing, before it is called pipeline right here at the very top. Now it is under funnels. Okay. When you click on it right here, just got to click on new funnel. And once done, you'll be able to select a template. For example, I have created this one right here, which is technically blank. All right. This is from a template. Okay. And I named it sample sales funnel. Now, for example, we have opt-in sales page right here. All right. These are stages. Okay. Or steps, or even we called before in the pipeline pages. Now, if you want to duplicate each pages, all right, you can go ahead and do so. Just go back. And whenever you create a funnel right here, all the pages from this funnel will be landed to the website section. All right. And here, just go ahead over to landing pages. Just wait for it. Then go ahead over to funnels right here at the top. Okay. There you go. As you can see here, we have the sample sales funnel here as well. Just click on this drop down. And here we have the opt-in and sales page. Now to duplicate, just click on the three dots besides it. Now go ahead and click on duplicate. Before it was called clone. All right. Just click on it. Wait for it to load. Just wait for it. Now it's being landed to the landing page section. As you can see, when we go ahead over to funnels, same pages will be seen. Landing page. Here we have the opt-in one. So basically, you're just going to want to edit this one. Go three dots, edit details. Okay, make sure to change the URL slug, the title. Maybe I'm just going to name it dupe opt-in dash dupe, like so. And then just save it at the very bottom. Okay, before the save button is at the top right. Now, once that's done, you can now go ahead and do the same with the pages that you wanted to duplicate. And then go ahead and go back to marketing, funnels, right here, and go ahead and create a new pipeline, new funnel or new pipeline. Maybe a sales page right here. Sample for dupes. Select an offer. Maybe this one, one-on-one coaching, create funnel. Now in here, just go ahead and create a new page or step. All right, for example, in here, just maybe I'm going to remove the opt-in original. Click on it, hit on remove, and maybe remove some other stuffs right here. Okay. Now let's go ahead and add a page. Existing landing page. Next, click on drop down, and here we have the opt-in dupe. All right. Hit on save. And there you have it. That is how you duplicate a pipeline here in Kajabi. Just do the same with the other pages that you just duplicated. All right. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.